Hello once again, YouTube viewers, to my channel. In a previous video I made a comment about this door, and this is the latch that you turn the key and the darn thing comes up. But the problem is this metal here it needs to come out more. Anyway, that's not the subject of this video. This is my auxiliary battery. It is not a deep cycle battery, and I don't know if you can see it enough, but anyway, this is a positive, that's a negative connection. When I start the van up and drive, the charging system will get this up to 14.1 volts. I've had a reading of 14.1. Once I turn the engine off and I come out and check it, it drops to, yesterday, it was about 7.9. And then this morning, before starting the engine up, it's like 5.4. So it's gone from 14 to 7.9 to 5.4, thereabouts. And so I'm wondering if there's a leakage or if this is getting drained somehow through the dual battery system. And so that's one thing I'm wondering about. The other thing, I'll get my can here. And in this can are nails and various shells from pistol 22 and 45, or I don't know what. Well, anyway, all the wood is wet now because it rained last night. And these people are from British Columbia. And hello, you might be watching my YouTube channel. I told you about the name. So here I'm parked. Let me get over here. Another thing I'll mention. Let me grab it here. Should have planned this better. Okay. And of course the rope catches me. Okay. When I moved, or first went down to Yuma, an individual told me about watching for nails, because you notice I'm parked near the little campfire ring there. Well, what happens is that pile of wood, for example, people will bring their wood out and it has nails. The wood burns, the nails drop into the ground, and through action from people walking around, the wind blowing the ground, dust, and make sure I don't do that. I'm holding a magnet in my hand here. I'm going to show you in a moment, and I just want to make sure to demagnetize something. And so, anyway, you end up getting nails around the area here. And so these people from Canada made a comment to me about how many nails they found before I showed up at this spot. And so I proceeded to show her, or them, this. It's a, doing this one-handed is never fun. Alright, you drag this across, it picks up nails, and anything metal I should say, on there. And then you pull this, and inside the magnet releases from this metal, and everything drops down. So what I was doing yesterday, just a quick demo, is I'll drag it across the ground. As you can tell, this is not the best way to do this, but I'm going to see what I find here. And I've been scanning this yesterday pretty good. So there you have it. So I'm going to pull the magnet away, and it drops into your bucket or your cup or whatever you have. Anyway, this little gizmo you cannot find in the Prescott hardware stores. You can get it online. It's a PM6551. It's a magnetic separator pickup tool. I'm looking for a company name, but well, anyway, down in Yuma, the various hardware stores, not hardware stores, the RV places I go to and have gone to, I have these. I got this in Yuma. It's best to get a bigger one or a more powerful magnet and more of them, so you have like a row. And I'm sure somebody can come up with a good way of dragging this across the road here. And you just do that. And so from that, what I did, I walked along the path where I intend on driving and on out and continue on. And I found 8 nails. She found a handful yesterday without this magnet, just looking around. So what I'm going to do is get out in front of the rear tire, because I went from the front tire, but I didn't go from the rear tire. And I'm going to move this along the path there on both sides, just in case there's nails hiding there. I don't see any, but you never know. So I would suggest getting one of these things and put it to good use. I'll be talking about this generator. I'm not real excited about this thing. It's not performing. It's really hard to start. And I think what I think is happening is, let me get